Hello, welcome back to complete installation of Kali Linux. So this course is complete hacking tools in Kali Linux. Without wasting our time, we are going to set in our lab. The requirement for this lab setting is VMware installed on your Windows machine and Kali Linux OS already had been downloaded. So without wasting my time, let's go and start installing it. Alright, open your VMware workstation Pro version, that's workstation Pro 16. Just click on new, create new virtual machine. Choose typical. Choose I will install the operating system later, and select Linux. So if the guest operating system, we have Windows, Linux. So just select Linux, and the version is Debian. Because Linux is a Debian distribution, so select Debian 8.x64 bits, and you can give it a name, any name you like. Let's say Kali Linux. Alright, I click on next, and the default maximum disk size is 20 gig, and select store virtual disk as single. So the reason be that it make the OS run fast. Come to customize hardware. Here we are come to select our RAM size. If the maximum recommendation is 2 gig, if you have more than 4 gig installed on your physical machine, that is the Windows machine, you can extend it to 4 gig. So me, I have 12 gig of RAM, so I'll select 4 gig. But if you have less than 4 gig, just select 2 gig. Alright, and come to the new, select CDID, select use ISO image, and select browse. The browse will locate you to where your Linux OS is. Mine is this D Linux installer 2021, and select, click on close, click finish. Alright, so we are going to install it on our virtual disk that we have been created. So click on power, click inside, use your arrow keys to select. So select what, click on the graphical install. Alright, select English and click on continue. United States, continue. America English, continue. Detecting the hardware, scanning storage media. Loading additional components, have patience. The host name is Kali. just leave it empty, configuring the network. So here we need to set new one. So let's just, mine is Yao. The root account is the new account is Yao. And let's choose password for the new user. Yao. So my password will be different from yours. Yao. Alright. Setting up the clock. The time zone, let's select Eastern. Detect index. Let's use entire desk. Entire desk. Entire desk. Just continue. Continue. Come and select yes to be formatted in chain. So it will it will install it. Just I will be right back when it finished. So have patience for it. All right. After you have finished loading, it will come to this stage. So this stage, just select continue and wait for it to install the selected softwares. So without wasting my time, I'll pause it here. All right. After it has been hot, install the selected software. It will come to this stage, and this stage we will select or to install the group or to bootloader to primary drive. Yes, we will install that. So just click on continue and select the dev/sda. Yeah, and select continue. So it will continue installing it, finishing the installation. Yeah, all right. The installation is what? Installation is completed. So we will boot the system. Click on continue and mounting. Select the first one. All right. The username we just created is Yao. Later on, we will boot on into the root, and the password is mine is Yao1234. All right. All right. Let me come to terminal and let's change some things. So we want to change the root password. So who am I? Am I Yao? pwd home yaw. Just type s sudo dash I space dash I. So you provided password for the yaw. Sorry. Okay. Let's see yaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So we are in the root mode. Whom am I again? pw. Let's set new password. Let's set new password for that. So ps vd space root. New password for the root. I will choose Opoku. Retype it Opoku or your new password. So let me click on exist. Again. Let me restart the application or log out, and the new password to root. The password is Opoku. The new name is root and the password is Opoku. Alright, thank you for watching this tutorial, and our next lesson we will show you how you can fix the screen resolution. Alright.